Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy to see you again, and if you're new, hi, hello, my name is Sandra. Don't forget to hit subscribe down there, because then you won't miss any of my uploads in 2018, and I promise you it's going to be a really exciting year. So today's video is a little bit more special video, because I have decided to collab with another YouTuber, and she is such a sweetheart. Oh, she is so sweet, and I really like her content on her channel. She doesn't do makeup, but she does nails, and if you know me, I have a large nail collection, but she is awesome with nail and decoration and designs and everything. Her name is MoreThanNailVarnish, and I would love if you would go over and check her out. I'm going to leave her link down below so you can jump over very easily and subscribe to her. She's such a sweetheart. And if you are coming from her channel, then welcome, hello. So as mentioned, we are doing collab today, and we have decided to collab on Valentine's Day's makeup looks and nail looks. So this is my first of the two looks we are going to do together, and I'm so excited. So I have decided to take some inspiration for some of the colors she are using on her nails and do a eye look instead. So if you like to see how to achieve this look, then keep on watching. First up, I'm going in with this makeup in Bakersal and place this in my crease. And then I'm going into Unexpected and place this on top in my crease. And then I'm going into this beautiful red shade called Curtain Call and place this all over my lid. Going in with this fluffy brush, I'm going to blend out the edges. I'm just going to build the color up. And blend out again. And then I'm going to take this beautiful pinkish shade called Cinderella and place this in my inner corner. For primer, I'm going in with this Guerlain Mascara base. To cover some of these breakouts and under my eyes, I'm going in with my Wet n Wild CoverAll palette. I'm going in with the salmon shade first and place this under my eyes. And then I'm going in with this green shade and spot correct with this. For foundation, I got this Covergirl Outlast All Day Foundation. And then I'm going to conceal with my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. To set everything, I got my lower Mercier powder in the shade Translucent. For bronze, I'm going to use my Hoola Lite by Benefit. For blush, I got this sleek makeup in the shade French Rose. For highlighter, I got this Wet n Wild limited edition highlighter in the Sweetst Bling. And then we're going back to the eyes. I'm going to use this Makeup Geek in Unexpected and blend this under my lower lash line. And then I'm going to take Curtain Call and place it on top. To set everything before my mascara, I'm going to use my Rimmel Insta Fix and Go. For highlight in my inner corner under my brow bone, I'm going in with this Wet n Wild Sweetst Bling again. Before my mascara, I'm going to curl my lashes. And then I'm going to use my Guerlain Mascara. For lipstick, I'm going in with this Maybelline lipstick in Nude Lust. So that completes this video, and I'm such a big fan of this look. This is a really romantic look, but a little bit more on the deeper side, and I love it so much. I really like some red smoky eyes paired with a nude lip. So I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget I love you, and then I will see you in my next video. Bye!